What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, guys. So, exciting one coming your way today. A smashy video, that's for sure. So today, guys, we're going to go through a live trading session. We've made several weeks back a video similar to this, couple of videos going through live trades on specific stocks in an upbeat market. And I told you guys what to expect in regards to patterns, price action, and psychology. Today, we're going to go through a live trade in a downbeat market, which is really what we have today, and it has been so in the last 3 weeks or so. A lot of stocks like Tesla have lost 20% of their value. So how do we trade? Why? The psychology and all the other trends, guys. That's what I want to go through today. Smashy, let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so previously I simplified things for you in different videos where I told you to focus on stocks like Tesla, NIO, and the reason why I said focus on these is because they will give you enough volatility to be able to profit from day after day. Now, a lot of you made some money coming up to the new year with NIO and Tesla, but now it's also time to make money on the downtrend if you are not a swing trader, but you are a day trader. So on a downtrend, guys, you can see here that this 1 month chart shows a clear sign of a downtrend. And all of these little recoveries, they're called dead cat bounces, where it fakes out investors and traders, where it shows a sign of a recovery, but really it just ends up coming back down. And there's two fake outs here. And possibly there could be another. Now, I don't know when it will recover Tesla fully, but for now, you can profit off the downtrend too. So similarly with NIO, it has also lost about 30% of its value since the start of February. And obviously there is a reason behind all of this, guys. These are not the only stocks that have lost value. Other stocks have also lost value. The reason is simple. One, there was fear of manipulation, but this was the one that actually played a huge role and currently is playing a huge role in where the stock market is heading. The treasury yields. Now, the treasury yields basically sends signals to investors that there is fear of inflation. When the treasury yield spikes in value, like it did to 1.5%, it's basically signaling inflation. And as a result, the stock market sells off, and stocks also sell off, like we've seen with Tesla, NIO, and other stocks. So if we actually look at the 3 months or the 2 months from December to January, the treasury yield has been spiking consistently. Okay, started off from just under a percentage in December to now 1.5%. And that's actually scaring investors. And weak money, scared money will always get out from the market and sell. So now we have something called fear. When there's fear in the market, we obviously change our strategy to be a shortened strategy rather than a buying strategy. So in this case, we're trading a downtrend. So I have a short position on NIO from yesterday, which I will be selling or covering on market open. So far, 2,500 or so profit. But going forward, the strategy is when the treasury yield goes down, the stock market will go up. When the treasury yield goes up, the stock market goes down. Right? Did I say that twice? Okay, let me write it down. Here's the treasury yield, and here's the stock market going the opposite direction. Here is the treasury yield, and here is the stock market going on in the opposite direction. That clears it up for you guys. Let's get right into it. We're going to be focused on Tesla and NIO today. Now, the Feds will be speaking to put investors at ease today. So here, what we could see is a small spike in the market, consolidation, and a drop back down if the Feds don't say anything meaningful. Let's get right into it, guys. Let's execute the trade. But now you know why the market itself was selling off. It's because of this fear that is surrounding the market currently, which is inflation. Let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so stock market just opened. Just closed this position, walked away with some profits. The Feds will be speaking, so there will be some kind of a reversal here. And here is my entry, 1,000 shares on NIO, like I said. So this one is going to be quick because it's going to be a very slow day. But my exit will be very quick. So here's the reversal, as you've seen. Okay, price action was telling us where it wants to go. But because there's still some fear, there's a lot of consolidation. So it's trying to make newer highs. 41 was reached after bouncing off the 40s. So I don't see a red candlestick just yet, but it looks like it's turning into red. 40 was the current support. Now 40.80 turned into support, or this one here, 40.80, I believe. Okay, anything below that, we get to walk away with a loss. But there's the green candle. Now, like I said, 40.80 is where I'll take a loss today. Come on, baby. You know you want to. There you go. Once it goes above this, then it's going further. And you can see the momentum here. It's an upward momentum, guys. So it's trying its best to add gains rather than lose. And like I said, that's what happens ahead of the Fed speaking. Because the Fed gives the market some hope. Alright, there we go. A newer high is made. Now, one more. Don't get faked out by these little drops. So this will be my exit, like I said. Right now, there we go. It wants to. There you go. So, there's another jump. Well done. That's me encouraging NIO by saying well done. Okay. I'm out. Okay, that's it. Here's the team so far, guys. Okay, a lot of greens rolling in. Again, this was the game plan on NIO. Okay, you can't see it here because it's cut off from that side. But according to game plan, let me show you the team. Here's the team, guys. A lot of greens rolling in. So, this was a quick trade. Only took us 4 minutes. So, going forward, again, the treasury yield will influence the market to do a specific thing, depending on the treasury yield. If it goes up, the market drops. Now, only because the Feds are speaking today, which gives investors some confidence, did NIO spike, was as a result of the Fed speaking. And there it goes. It goes even further, guys. But I'll be able to trade this on the short because when there is hope, usually it's an uptrend, consolidation, then some kind of stuff happening here in between. When there's fear, it's consolidation, then a drop of some kind. So like I said, you got to identify patterns in the market, guys, in order to profit from this market. So let me write my green NIO. All right. So that's it, guys. See you next time. Price action is everything. But again, with experience, you can tell. All right, you can tell where the market is heading. Hopefully, you got some motivation here. You've seen us in action. All I wanted to do was actually show you guys why the market was doing what it was doing. And that's because of the treasury yield. See you in a minute. So the market is still in fearful mode. I mean, if you see the market recovering one day after selling off, you got to understand why it's recovering. Is it because there's some hype in the market? Like, if you look at the 1 month chart, guys, it's a downtrend market. Now, for a lot of investors, swing traders, obviously the question is, when will it rebound? Well, guys, the market will rebound eventually. It's just, it has to go through periods of fear before going through periods of hype. Just like it went through a long period of hype. But now fear has come upon us, and you have to be somewhat understanding that this is the game of trading. Fear and hype. But you can always make money regardless. Even if you're stuck in long positions on swing trades, then you can still make money by shorting the same stock that you're holding. Because you know it and you're used to it. So, that's it for me. I'll see you again. I'm gonna be on the road next couple of weeks, so I won't be able to make such videos, guys. But I'll probably be making simple videos, easy to make, such as these kind of videos, without the actual live trades. Keep you updated anyways. Peace and love, guys, and I'll see you next time.